With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A moving sphere of mass m suffers a perfectly elastic collision, not head-on, with equally massive stationary sphere. After the collision, both fly off at an angle theta. Find the value of theta. So if you see, this is an elastic collision between two equal mass. So I will write here, in elastic collision between two equal mass. Two equal mass. The component of velocity along the line of impact get exchanged after the collision. Component of velocity with direction, right? Not just magnitude. Component of velocity along the line of impact. So why I said along the line of impact? Because the collision is not head-on. In head-on collision, the velocity is already along the line of impact, but here it is not head-on. Get exchange. So if you see, let's say this is mass m and it collide with a identical mass m. Here the center to center joining line is the line of impact. Line of impact, and the velocity is making an angle of theta with the line of impact like this. So what you can do, you can break this velocity into two components, right? If you see here, the velocity will have two components, one along the line of impact, that is v cos theta, and the another one is perpendicular to the line of impact, that is v sin theta. This will remain unchanged, right? Keep in mind that during the collision, the impulse acts along the line of impact like this. Right? So if the impulse acts along the line of impact, why the component of the velocity which is perpendicular to it will change? So it will remain unchanged. So as I told you, this component will get exchanged, this v sin theta, this v cos theta with the direction, right? So what will happen after the collision? This first one, which was moving earlier with this v naught velocity, will continue to move with this v sin theta component like this here, and this will have a velocity in this direction. And if you see the center to center joining line, this is the center to center joining line, and the velocities are making an angle of 90 degree, because if you see, this angle is 90 minus theta and this angle is theta. So the velocity between the v1 vector and the v2 vector is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Right? Now you can answer the question here. So here D will be the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.